Sorry
Right,
about
no
that.
problem. Sorry.
Continue.
Okay.
Starting. 5,
Mhm.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Chapter 17, make a connection. So this covers Java networking with the Java.NET library, building client and server sockets, to send and receive, data, treating network communication as just another form of, I/O. It culminates in building a fully functional, a multi-threaded chat client and server. All right, so yeah, that's summary. On to the
Okay.
next person.
Okay. So now we're gonna be doing paying client. So what this is, right, is a simple client program that connects to a server and sends 10 ping messages, one every second. So going into our paying client within our main method. So for the iNet socket address server, so what we're doing is that we're creating the server address using localhost 127.0.0.1 and port number 5000. So within our try, we open a connection to the server using the socket channel equals to socket channel dot open. Then with the print write, we're creating the print writer to send text data through the channel and the UTF-8, which specifies the character encoding. Then to confirm that the connection is successful, we'll say networking established. So now I'm going to James to explain the rest.
Okay. So for the rest of the pinging client, they've got the for, and then they've got the int I equals 0, and that's sends 10 ping messages to the server. So they create the message to send the ping, which says string message equals ping plus I, and they've got the send the message to the server with the router dot print in message, and they ensure that the message is immediately transmitted. And they've got to get the current time for logging, and they display the time and the message that it was sent with the system.out.print in current time plus sent plus message. And they wait 1 second before sending the next message with the time unit.seconds.sleep, and they have the catch that displays any networking or interruption error with the e.print stack trace. So you'll see here it says the java.net connect exception, and the connection was refused as connected, and each one of these at java.base is a ping. So they've pinged it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and then it says here built successful, and the total time was 0 seconds. So now that's it for chapter 17.
No problem, man. Okay, no problem. And then we also have, we have beatbox, which
Almost home.
Yo, am I done?
we have importing, and also we have the strings, instrument names, instruments, public void, book GUI,
Almost done, my baru.
and then, box, button box, then
Can't wait till
background,
these videos are done.
so on and so forth, private void as well.
Okay, chapter 18, and then we are finito.
Yes, sir. And then, beatbox.
Okay, yeah, what's this?
I'll probably
That's
go
the
over
two
this
threads
in,
writing now.
Yeah, that's the only
Yeah.
file I have.
in chapter 18. I'll go over this. In chapter 18.
Chapter 18, just to make sure.
Okay.
He's muted.
No, I'm unmuted now.